Okay, so part 3 of Pippy and Francis, well, Pippy really, baking the coconut cake, and now we're making
coconut
meringue.
Cream pie. Oh. It's not a cake. See, she doesn't bake.
Same thing.
I am separating my egg.
What do you put them in here?
I'm putting them in here.
The egg, the rest of it.
Oh, the rest of it. That had milk in it, but that's okay because I can make scrambled eggs in the morning. Okay. There's one.
So you're just making the egg whites?
Yep, that's all you want. And I got a little bit of egg yolk in there. That's not good.
Can you use a spoon?
I don't know.
Want a spoon?
My fingers are clenched, but yeah.
Well, did it come out with your finger?
No, it didn't. It must be really foggy out.
It's been foggy all day.
I know, but it's nighttime now. There, I got that.
Okay. What happens if you have that little bit of yellow in there?
It won't froth up like, you know. This is going to
make whippy toppy.
Yeah.
Do you use the blowtorch on the top of it?
No, that's why I set the oven for 425.
The oven. Oh yeah, we forgot that part. We set the oven for 425.
Yep. I want to get all the, and you can get one of those fancy things too, to separate your egg whites.
I didn't know there was a fancy thing.
Yeah, it's like a funnel, and you stick your, you crack your egg in it, and then all the white will run out, and the yolk will stay in. But hey, it works just as well.
You don't need to be high tech.
Yeah,
you don't need a fancy gadget.
And I could have done this right in the bowl, but I didn't.
You're doing just a fine job.
Look at there. Ooh, that one was a big one.
Doing a fine job.
Thanks.
Slimy.
It is slimy. It's like...
I should have brought you some eggs.
You got eggs?
I haven't took them out of the house for a while.
Your chickens you haven't?
There's a chicken sitting on them right now.
Oh. Okay, so we're going to put that... And you want to put this in a glass bowl or metal bowl because plastic, they say, has a greasy film on it.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So, we're going to do that. And, okay, then we're going to, after you do that, yolks in the white is, add the lemon juice using an egg beater. Beat the egg whites. Where's my lemon juice? Oh,
right there.
Right there. Got to put a little 1/4 of a teaspoon, which I'm not measuring. I don't measure.
I don't either.
It's going to be very tad.
That's why I don't bake, because I can't follow directions. I'm a direction giver, not a direction taker.
I'm not even going to pour all that in. I'm just doing that much. And we're going to turn this on.
Be ready in just a minute. We're making real good. And we're YouTubing our process so we can share it. Do we need to stir the potatoes again?
No, they're done.
I'm going to look at the steaks. Look at those steaks.
You eat yours well done or what?
Hell no.
I don't know if them are or they ain't.
Oh, please tell me you don't cook a well done steak.
We don't, but sometimes he gets carried away.
How do you eat a steak? There's only one way to eat a steak.
Medium rare.
Medium rare, that's right. That last idiot I had, he liked it burnt up. Yuck.
No.
Yuck.
Now these are going to form, it's called soft peak.
Soft peak.
Yeah. And you don't want to beat it too much, otherwise it will curdle. Okay? But
It'll curdle?
Yes.
How do you know when it's too much?
Well, it's just a guessing game. Now I'm going to add in my 1/4 of a cup while it's going. I hope this doesn't screw up. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And you want to put your meringue on your hot pies. And you can always tell because you can shut this off. Okay. And see how it doesn't move? So that's good.
Okay.
That's a soft peak. You can also get stiff peaks. If you do a little, that's a little bit stiffer than a soft, but that's good. Okay.
You like stiff.
Depends on what you're making. Now, if you're making divinity
I
or
was not
something.
being very.
When you're
was
making
being naughty.
divinity, you want it like that. But I don't make divinity. My mother did.
I don't know what divinity is.
It's a candy.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm going to take this and I am going to spread this on my hot.
Oh, it looks delicious.
And as my mother used to say, when you do this, you have got to seal it at the edges. Make sure it comes all the way to the edges. Because when you put it in the oven to brown, it will shrink.
Shrink.
Yep.
So it gets hard peaks and then it shrinks. Well, isn't that something?
Okay.
Clark's back in the house, so we have to behave now.
Francis. Dirty-minded Francis.
I can't help it.
Oh, we can help it.
No. We can. I cannot.
And I'm sealing it real nice over here because this is where
The short side is.
yeah, where it fell in a little bit, the crust.
So you just touch it to the thing.
Yeah, best
To
thing,
the
crust.
crust, yeah.
Make sure it's all the way to the crust.
Can I eat some of this?
Yeah, see what it tastes like.
Whippy. Whippy.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to lick this.
Okay, we're going to put this in the oven
Okay.
for about 4 to 5 minutes.
425 for
Well,
4
it's
to
not
5.
quite hot enough yet,
Oh.
so anyway,
Yeah, I like it.
Here's your plate, Patty.
thanks.
Here's your plate.
We'll take a picture when we're done.
I had it on my nose. Oh, I like this. I just want to eat it like this.
Well, you can. Those are getting kind of greasy.
Oh, yeah.
We should have turned that on a long time ago, but
Well, we didn't know. Siri didn't tell us, and you had to Google because Siri was worthless.
no, I didn't remember what time. I knew I had to put it in the oven, but I didn't know what. I didn't know it was that hot.
All right. Well, we are going to eat our steak and potatoes.
I'm gonna fix my potato.
What kind of imitation potato are you having? So we have steak.
I'm having a mashed.
That's not steak. We have potatoes. We have delicious pie. We have.
That look about right.
Yeah, that's pretty good there. Got good old big old steaks, and then we got
I'm
our
having mashed
cauliflower for keto, and then we have our pumpkin roll later too.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's in the
Anybody
fridge.
have anything to say to the YouTubers before we go to dinner?
No. Comment and share, please.
Comment and share. Have your friends watch us because we're really cool people.
Who are you talking to?
YouTubers. Say bye, Clark.
Bye.